Yep, that's right. We're going to give you a hand to draw a hand. You can always trace around your own hand or just draw it freestyle like this. Using a dark black pen, we're going to draw both of our hands, the right and the left. Hey, are you right-handed or left-handed? Well, I think that's really cool. Let's colour. Gonna start with glittery gold. Ooh, so nice on the left-hand side. What shall we do next? How about red? So we're doing long vertical sections here from the fingers down through the palm to the wrist. Next, we're going to go for green. Whoa, look at these colours. Hey, you could even colour your hands in the colours of your flag if you wanted to be nice and patriotic. Let's go for purple. We're doing a nice multicoloured hand because we love bright colours. Now, what's left? It's the thumb. Let's go for nice royal blue for our very important thumb. Well, we couldn't do much on a phone without it, could we? Let's go to our right hand, starting with royal blue for the thumb. We like them to be matching, and why not? Did you know that there are 27 bones in the human hand? 27 bones! And the fingers contain some of the densest areas of nerve endings in your entire body. Isn't it just amazing? Green next. You got it. That's right. Now, can you remember which colour came next to green? It's red. That's right. Good job. You're almost there. We've got one more section to colour after this. And it's going to be gold. Gorgeous gold. All the way down from side to side, staying in between the lines. Yes, you did it! Great job! High five! Ooh la la! Today we're going to draw a gorgeous stiletto-heeled shoe, glittery and colourful, starting with heart detail. Now let's do the outline of the shoe. Pointy toe. Up we go. And back around. Now in the frame. Inside, some stripes, and our heel. Right, time to paint. Let's start with gorgeous peach for the inside. That's our inner sole. Now, sparkly yellow. Wow, look at that. That's the inside edge. There. And the rim. Going around our heart carefully. And our heart must, of course, be red. Well, you don't have to do it red. You can do it any colour you like. Purple next. We're going to paint each segment a different colour to have a gorgeous rainbow-coloured stiletto-heeled shoe. Green next. You could alternate two different colours, do different shades of the same colour. It really depends on what you like the best. Red looks lovely. Turquoise next. And pink. Gotta have some pink in there. Up and down, keeping inside the borders. Brilliant! Green next. And done! Time to paint our heel. Royal blue. Side to side. And up. There! That was easy, wasn't it? What a wonderful shoe. I would love to have one just like that in my wardrobe, wouldn't you? Hi friends! Today we're going to draw and paint a glittering diamond. That's right, start by drawing the outline with a thick black pen. Just copy what we do step by step. This diamond is actually going to be made up of lots and lots of triangles, different sized triangles, different lengths, different widths, but all triangles, you see. Now we can paint each one in a different colour. So blue goes at the top, then pink. You can choose your favourite colours. Now each segment can be a different colour, or you could alternate or do larger sections in the same colour. It's all up to you. We like to do this gorgeous rainbow effect because when we hold up our diamond in the sunlight, we're going to get a prism of light where the sunshine shows all the rainbow colours. So yellow next goes in between the pink. That's right, just small strokes up and down, up and down. There. Side to side. Gorgeous. What colour should we use for our larger triangles? Green! What a good idea. Side to side, carefully painting in between the black lines. Smaller strokes as you get to the bottom. Now we're going to go for red. Wow, this is already looking fantastic. Beautiful. 2 more to go. Purple next. And what colour should we paint our final segment? Blue. That's right. Let's end how we started. You're doing so well. Nearly there. And done! Brilliant! You've done it! A gorgeous rainbow glittery diamond! Well done!
Subscribe and watch more!